have a string a equal to inside double quotation mark welcome to Python program. To convert each letter into uppercase, I have typed print a dot upper. When I click on run code, then I got the answer welcome to Python program. All the letters are in the upper format. So the next is to convert each letter into lowercase. Print a dot lower. When I click on run code, welcome to Python program. All the letters are in the lowercase. Here I have type a equal to welcome to Python program. Then I will type here print a dot upper. And then I will click on run code and then I got the answer welcome to Python program. All the letters in the upper format. So the next is lower. I will just simply type here lower and then hit on run code and then I got the answer welcome to Python program. All the letters are in the lower format. A equal to welcome to Python program. Here hash sign is only to write comments, and to convert a string into lowercase, then print a dot casefold. What is casefold? Casefold is just like same, it works same as lowercase, but casefold is powerful than lowercase. When I click on run code, then I got the answer welcome to Python program. All the letters are in the lower format. So the next is to find the index number of a character. I have type here a dot find inside double quotation marks O. When I run code, then I got the answer 4. Why I got the answer 4? Because here we have 4 O. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have type a equal to welcome to Python program and then type here print a dot find inside quotation double quotation marks O. So when I hit on run code, then I got the answer 4. Here we have 4 O. Okay, the next is if I will type here W, then when I hit on run code, then I got the answer 0, because it will always in Python language it will always start from 0 and then 0, 1, 2, 3 so on.